Hello friends, I have two greeting cards mockup. These files just for Adobe Photoshop CC, and here is some card preview and download from web and just for example. And here is two option. So first I drag this, and resolution is 3000 by 2000. Oh wow, that's mean high definition. Happy birthday greeting mockup. Okay, and here you see the color, you can change it, right? Black, white or green. Wow, your design is here. So I remove it completely and drag this file. These are not in high definition, but I drag there. Wow, close it. Enter. Okay, all is okay, nothing. Just click Control S for saving, and then you see here our design on this. Amazing. So here we write black color or change your own choice, or this color. I think this is better. Here is shadow and here is card. So I close this file and open any other file. Greeting mockup 2, drag 2. So here we need three design, one here, one there and one here. Design 1, double click. Design 1 is here. Okay, enter Control S, and second design is greeting card sign templates. Okay, James and Sarah. Wow, enter Control S, and we need third and last sign. I tell you just for example. I know you can do it more better. Greeting invitation layout. Okay. These files are not high definition, but I drag there, maybe, or increase 1000. Control Shift L. Control S, and you see here our design is completely ready. You can adjust it more setting like this. Cards are better. No, change background color, white, your own choice. I hope this mockup is useful for you. Subscribe me for more free cover data. Take care. Allah Hafiz.